Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It has been a long time. I don't remember the last time I filmed a sit down video. It's been months. We are in 2024 and it's April and this is my first time filming this year. I don't know, just feel like with YouTube, it's up and down for me. Sometimes I want to film, sometimes I don't. And then I'll have someone random be like, oh, you stopped uploading. Like, I miss watching your videos. And I'm just like, you watch me? I appreciate you. Thank you. But yeah, I don't know. I be up and down with YouTube. Sometimes I want to film and sometimes I don't want to film. But I guess I'm in a filming mood today. So here we are. Bear with me if I'm all over the place. I haven't filmed in a long time, so I really don't know what I'm doing with myself, but we'll get through this video. Hello, my name is Maddie. I film mostly luxury related videos. I do throw in a couple of fragrance and lifestyle videos every now and then. So if you do enjoy watching those types of videos, I would appreciate it if you join my little YouTube family by hitting the subscribe button down below. Turn the notification bell while you're at it, just so you get notified every time I upload a video. And if you're not new, shout out to you. You're a real one. You really are a real one. Shout out to you. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. It's not really an unboxing because I don't even have a box, but it's basically just me showing you guys the bag that I bought. So I'm not going to show you the bag yet, but this is what it came in. As you can see, it's from Loewe. I don't know why I have this huge ass shopping bag. It's really not that big a bag. If you know me, I don't like big bags. I'm a tiny bag girl through and through. So I don't know why I have this, but I have like this big ass shopping bag and the bag is not even that big. But before I show you guys what bag it is, quick backstory. So I got this from Woodbury Commons, like upstate New York. Well, not really upstate, but like further away in New York. And I've had it for like 2 weeks now. I've worn the bag already. It's not an unboxing. It's really not an unboxing. I just don't know what else to call it. So we had a friend come in from out of town. She came in from the UK and she wanted to go to our version of, I think it's called Bicester Village, which is like a outlet type thing also in the UK or in London, whatever. And at first I was like, I agreed to it. And then later on I was just like, I don't want to go. Like, I don't want to spend money. It was during Ramadan and I'm like, I'm fasting. Y'all gonna be eating, I'm gonna just be watching you guys, we're gonna be walking around, I'm gonna be tired, and it's like an hour drive and I'm just like, I don't want to do any of that. And then eventually I was just like, yeah, sure, I already said I was gonna go, so let's just do it. And then like a few days, like before, I wasn't thinking anything of it. I was like, I'm not gonna buy anything because I don't really, let me not say I don't want anything, I don't need anything, because I do have a couple of bags that I want, but I don't need them. And I was like, yeah, I'll just go. If I see something, sure, I'll buy it. If not, then it's fine. But then a few days prior, I was like, if they have this specific bag, I'll get it. If it's in a good price, it's a good color, I'll get it. And when I got there, like in the day before, I think I spoke to my sister, or like that morning, I spoke to my sister and I told my friend, I'm like, if they have this specific bag, then I'm probably gonna get it. But anyway, let's just get that out of the way. It didn't come with a dust bag. No, it didn't come with a box. It only came with the dust bag, and obviously she gave me like the shopping bag. I do have, I'm trying to be careful because the leather. I do have like the little hair booklet. I think that's what this is. I didn't even look through it. Ooh. And then this just fell out. I think this would be like the authenticity card, I think. I don't own anything from Loewe. Well, I do, but I'll show you guys in another video. But yeah, this is my first Loewe bag purchase. And then obviously we have the receipts, which is this. It does say final sale on it. I don't know, is everything from Woodbury Commons final sale? We'll go into price and all that stuff later, but that's the receipt. I feel like this is a very popular Loewe bag, so I feel like everyone should kind of sort of know what bag this is. But without further ado, let me show you guys because I feel like I've been talking a little bit too much. The bag that I got, that I just added to my collection, is the Loewe puzzle bag in this beautiful orange color. I've wanted the Loewe puzzle bag for a while because I feel like the last time I went to the Woodbury Commons in like 2021, maybe 22, I checked the Loewe store to see if they had this and they did not have it. Okay, so another quick backstory. When we walked into the store, I saw a Loewe bag. If I can find it, I'll put up a picture. It was like a white bag with like trees, not trees, but like I think they have like leaves on it. It was supposed to be like a spring type thing, so it was like green and pink on it. I looked at it and I was just like, yeah, nah, that's not what we're going for. So I looked at the sales associate and I'm like, do you guys have any other one? do you have any other puzzle bags, but obviously like a different style and a different color? And she pointed us towards this. So they had this in like the biggest, I think they had like 3 sizes in this color. So when I saw it, I was just like, okay, like this is fine. I always wanted it in the tan color. I don't know if they call it a brown. I don't know what Loewe's official name for it is, but I wanted it in the brown. I'll put up a picture just so you guys can see. Obviously they didn't have that and they had this. So I looked at it, I'm like, oh my god, it's so cute. I went to Houston. I was in Houston like a few weeks before we went to the Woodbury Commons, and we were there for like I was there for a while because my friend was getting married. It's a tradition for us to go to the Galleria every time we're in Houston. So we went to the Galleria. My other friend also wants a puzzle bag, and she saw the Edge, I think it was called, in this exact color. So when I walked into the store and I saw this color, I was telling my friends who were with me, I'm like, my other friend is gonna die if I call her and show her this, because this is exactly the color that she wanted at the Galleria. Called her, she screamed, like FaceTime. She was like, gasp. We had our whole thing, and I just couldn't believe that this was a color that my friend saw in the Galleria that she wanted. However, this was the last one they had. So this is the display bag. So I was a little bit upset about that. At first I was just like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna get it. So we walked out of the store. I don't remember if we went to YSL before or after, but I know my friend got a YSL bag. But as we're walking around, I'm thinking about it, and I'm texting my other friend, and I'm just like, what do you think? Should I get it? Blah, blah, blah. And my friends are like, let's go back into the store. So we go back into the store, and the guy's like, oh, welcome back, ladies. He's like, I hope you leave with something this time. So I go meet the sales associate, and I'm just like, can you clean it? Because it did have like a little bit of like, I don't know if it was dirt like underneath it. She cleaned it to the best of her abilities. I do think it does have scuffs on it. It's really not visible to other people, but I can see it, maybe because like I'm very particular about these things. I do think the leather is very delicate though. But anyway, I feel like I've talked so much. Let me show you guys the bag. So this is the bag that I got. Again, it's the Loewe puzzle, and it also has like the same color hardware, so it's not gold or silver, it's also orange hardware. I think this is a mini size. Again, I'm not really into big bags. This is the top. I don't know if you guys can see, it has like a little scuff over here. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick it up. It does have like a couple of scratches. I will say maybe I'm the one who's added this one, I don't know, but like it looks fine, I'm not gonna lie. But I was just very particular about like a couple of things. I'm gonna see if I can try to like buff some of the scratches out. Anyway, the lady cleaned it with some sort of leather cleaner that they had in the store, and I was like, can I get it at like an extra discount? And she was like, no, she would have offered me that if she could in the first place. She cleaned it as best as she could, and again, it doesn't look terrible. It looks fine, it looks great. I'm just very particular, and I'm just like, I don't like that it has a couple of scratches on it. Okay, so this is the bag. Put her down there. It did come with a strap. It's like a thicker strap. I don't love the strap. Okay, so it says Loewe on it, and then it has like the logo on the other side. I don't love the strap. I'm not a thick strap type of girl. And it does have the, what is this called? The D-rings? Is this what that's called? It does have these. I don't like this strap, so what I did was I ended up ordering a random orange strap from Amazon. I think this was what, like $10? I don't remember. It does have like, I don't even know if this is a gold or a rose gold. But yeah, it's adjustable, it's skinnier, and I don't know, I just like smaller straps better. I like skinnier straps better. It's not really like an exact match. I'm not sure if you guys would be able to see. I think the orange for the Loewe, I think the orange for the bag itself is a little bit deeper. This one's like a little bit lighter, but you can't really tell unless you're literally like in my business. I don't think you're gonna be able to tell that it's a different strap. That's the bag. I just wanted to show you guys. Okay, let's go into price and all that stuff. So this bag it's the Puzzle Mini Solid. I don't know what that means, but that's what's on the receipt. And this bag was $17.80. I think I think the Loewe puzzle bag retails for $22, $25. No, I think it's more than 22. It might be 2,500. And I've even checked Fashion File because, like I said, I've wanted this bag for a while. I checked it on Fashion File, and I feel like the ones that are in good condition are like 2,000 something. So the moment I walked into the store and I saw this, and she was like, it's 1,780. Obviously, I paid tax. I paid New York tax, which is like 8 point something. So it came up to like 1,924. I do think I ended up saving a good like $800, which is not bad. That was the main thing for me because I was gonna go the pre-loved route, but pre-loved was already used by someone else, but it was the same price or like even more expensive. I didn't pay up to $2 grand for this, and it was brand new. But yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, that basically does it for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys my new bag, or the newest bag in my collection. I haven't really filmed a wish list video. I just feel like I always have a wish list, but then I follow it, but like not really. And so I'm just like, I'm not gonna do one this year, but if I get any other bags, of course I'll show you guys. But yeah, feels good to be back, I think. I don't want to say I'm back just because I feel like I don't want to make promises that I can't keep. I'm gonna try to film something as often as possible and like keep up with this channel. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like I rambled on so much, and you guys are probably sick and tired of hearing me talk. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Not sure if I've said that, but if I have, it doesn't hurt to say it again. Give this video a thumbs up, leave comments in the comment section down below, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell just so you get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.